Hello, this is week 11 coding assignment for Promineo Tech Coding Bootcamp. And today we'll be wrapping up our creation of the Java menu application and utilizing the CRUD method, create, read, update, and delete in a database. So we added two more options in our menu. We have update and delete a project. You see here, the case is for it in the switch statement, and we have the update and delete methods. In the update, we make sure that you have a project selected. If not, it'll ask you to please select a project and return back to the menu. So you can redo that. And once you have selected a project, you call in the data types associated with the project table: string project name, estimated hours, actual hours, big decimals, integer difficulty, string notes, and the user will input data to match up with it. Print out the actual thing so you can cross-reference. And if everything goes correctly, it'll update into the project itself. For the delete method in main, it'll make sure that you enter the ID, and if you selected a proper one, it'll tell you to delete a project, and therefore nullify the current project selected, just in case the project deletes the selected one. Now in project service, we have the pass-through to check to see if the information entered, the ID selected, is a valid one. So if it's not, it will throw an exception and will return a message: project with ID does not exist. In the project now, we have what's sent to the database, the SQL syntax. For project updating, it'll put update project table set, and it'll input the information that you put into the database, and it'll check it. And if everything goes correctly, it will update into the database and commit transaction. If something doesn't go right, it will roll back, same as other stuff in this project, and we'll just do the method. For delete, it'll take the delete syntax and check the project ID selected. If it works through, it'll go through. If it doesn't, it'll roll back an exception error. Now let's run the project. So we're going to start off checking to see if it's trying to update without selecting. It tells you to select a project. So we are going to select project Hangador and Java code. For this one, we're going to do Java code. Selected. Now we're going to update Java MySQL. Say 3 hours, actual hours 2.5, project difficulty 4, type SQL syntax in Java. And as you see, it updated the code from the original. And now I'm going to attempt to delete a project. Set your valid ID, showcases does not exist, still selected, and then we're going to delete project 2. It's deleted. We're going to list the project, show that it's no longer there, and we're going to go to debugger and refresh everything. It's no longer in the project table. It's no longer in project category. Nothing gets deleted here because there's nothing on delete cascade. No longer in material, and no longer in step.